What's up guys, today we're going to be taking a look at the Oliver Peoples 5393 SU. The name of the frame is Oliver. It's very easy to remember, it's the Oliver Peoples Oliver. So let's go into the unboxing. Doesn't come with a box. Usually most Oliver Peoples come with the plastic bag with the Oliver Peoples logo and just a tag. So inside, what it comes with is the cloth bag pouch case. So this is your cloth as well. So it's a nice drawstring cloth case. So this will be your cloth. It doesn't actually come with a cloth. So this is your cloth. It also comes with the Oliver Peoples booklet here. This one is kind of pointless. It just it has this information here, like the how to use your sunglasses and cleaning and maintenance. It's not like an authenticity card or anything. They don't really do that. So it just explains it in multiple languages here. Then you get the nice leather case here. Just so you know, it's not particularly a hard case. It does kind of, it has kind of a support here. It is like the hard part, but you know, definitely if you sit on it, this part probably will cave in. So just try not to sit on it or drive over this with your car and you'll be fine. On the inside, it has the Oliver Peoples logo. And inside we get the frames. Oh, I didn't mention, but I have three different colors to show you. So this particular one is the 1612R5 color code. They describe this as the Cinder Cocobolo with the carbon gray glass lenses. It's not polarized. So it is slightly on the heavier side just because of the thick plastic and glass lenses, but it's not it's not crazy heavy. So it's a really nice pattern on the sides. It's like a transparent with like brown streaks going along it. The front is a lot more darker. It's definitely more the Cocobolo. I mean, with Cocobolo, it's going to be different with all the different ones. It's going to be, some will be lighter, some will be darker. Like this one is definitely a little darker. So it has some little nice metal accents here. And then on the inside, if you can see, with the transparent, you can see that it has the metal piece going through it. And it also has a pattern on it. It looks like diamonds shaped. Like sometimes with it'll have like the Oliver Peoples logo. So with the blue coating here, usually that means it has AR, so anti-reflective coating. Pretty sure that's what that is. Like that's what you see usually, like if it's on the front, it'll have blue on the front, but then if it's on the back, it'll have blue on the back. It's a very nice frame. Alright, on to the next one. I have the it's the color code is 1669R5. They describe this as the Black Diamond. I'm a little confused by that name. It's it's a transparent I guess I would say transparent gray. Like the front is definitely a darker transparent than the temples. The temples are like much more transparent clear. Again, it has probably the AR. This one has the it has the same lenses, the carbon gray, also glass. So with the information on the left, it's going to have the model information. So the OV5393SU, the color code 1669R5, has the model name Oliver, It says Oliver some because there is also a Oliver RX version, which is the 5393U without the SU. The sizing 51, 19, 145. So what that means is going to be 51mm lens width, 19mm bridge. It's going to be 40.3mm lens height. It's going to be 145mm temple length. This model does come in two different sizes. It does come in a larger size, the 54 size. I'll show you the 54 in a second, but you know, it will be 54mm lens width, same bridge, 19mm. The height is going to be a little bit bigger. It's going to be 42.7mm compared to 40.3, so a little bit longer. And the temple length is going to be 150 instead of 145 for the 51 eye size. Alright, let me show you the next one. This one is the 1492P1. It's the it has G15 Polarized lenses. So it has glass lenses. They all have glass lenses. So with the black, it's a shiny black. So I can better show you here. So this one is actually the 54 size, so it's the bigger one. So I would suggest 54 for, it's definitely a large, and the 51 is more like a medium to large. No, I guess it's like a medium. So, you know, it has the same model information and sizing and stuff. On the right temple, it'll read Oliver Peoples, LA, has the Oliver Peoples logo. This one says polarized glass. I think the other one said, what did it say? It said vintage glass. And on the temple ends, it'll read handcrafted in Italy. They're all made in Italy. The frames are not spring hinges, so it doesn't stretch out at all. Then, you know, your optician could adjust temples and stuff like that if it's a little bit uncomfortable. So it does have like metal hinges on the sides. So with the polarized, this one retails for $515. The non-polarized, the first two, they're both $455. So it's like $50, $60 cheaper for non-polarized. Polarized will be $60 more. This is also described as as a men's frame. I mean, women can wear whatever they want, but you know, they didn't make it for men. Just a little quick comparison with the 54 and 51 size. So the top one is the 51 and the bottom is the 54 size. So it's going to be about 6mm difference, so not a huge difference, but you know, it can make a difference between a medium and a large. This definitely medium, this definitely large. Like, I have a large hair, this fits better. This kind of fits, but it's a little tight. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a good day, guys.